As a new website owner, it would be challenging for you to know what keywords people are searching for and what keywords you need to get higher visibility for to get good results. So what I usually suggest to my clients is to use Google's own platform. Just type in words related to your business and see what comes up in the drop-down suggestions that Google's giving you. And those would be the keywords that majority of people are searching for in relation to your business. And that is a good starting point. You can focus on some of those keywords, the ones that you feel are the most relevant and the ones you feel are more likely to get you results. So there is a bit of guesswork involved as well. But what's important is for you to use free tools that are available for you to get started. And as you go along, you can always consider other options. You can also use platforms like Google Search Console. Google Search Console would enable you to have a good understanding of the kind of results your website's getting. So try and focus on keywords for which you can have quicker results, and that will keep your motivation up as well as far as SEO is concerned. So yeah, those are the free tools that you can utilize and start getting results for your business. Get some runs on the board and then see how things go and then adjust your strategy accordingly.